This is Josh Osler, Director of Golf, here to introduce the way we're going to reserve practice stalls during the renovation at the practice facility. We're going to start in the La Rinconada app and go to the golf menu and select Tee Times, which will take us into the Whoosh software side of things, where we have added the ability to select a facility, which is the practice facility now, and you can then select the day that you want to use the driving range. Now you can only reserve a stall 2 days in advance, but for this demo we're going to go to Tuesday the 30th. And you can see that we have 4 practice stalls available during normal operating hours. You may select the time that you want to reserve here in 30-minute increments. We'll go at 11 o'clock and select complete booking. You've now reserved your stall for the practice facility. We hope you enjoy your time there. Thank you and happy golfing.